Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you exactly how to create a beautiful website or blog post using Google Site. We will walk you through every step from setting up your blog layout to adding images and text to writing your first post, and the best part, we will use examples like this. So they have created this blog post of the Japan trip. As you can see here, you can create similar to this as well. So why this is important? Now you will might be wondering, why should I use Google Site? Well, Google Site is free and it is super beginner friendly and directly connect with your Google account whether you are a student, traveler, or small business owner. This is a perfect way to start blogging without needing any tech skill. And with our example about Mumbai, you will also learn how to structure content that people actually want to read it. It is useful if you ever plan to rank your blog or convert readers into followers. So first step is to search for Google Site on your preferred browser, Google Site, and click on the first link. So after the logging, you will get to see this kind of interface. You will get some templates, but don't use it because they have for they don't for creating a travel vlog. So these are related to a corporate thing. So what I will prefer you to just create a blank site. Now click on the blank site. Over here you will, so this is a basic thing. Now in the top you will have to give the name Mumbai. So just click on the next. Okay, got it. You have to give the name in the top, Mumbai city. Now in the top you will get to see this is your title, and if you click on the header type, you can customize the header. If you want large banner, you can do that. If you have need a banner, you can do that. If you want title only, you can do that as well. I will prefer that you should have a large banner or banner where you can add images and give a title as well. So what you have to do is just simply give a title over here, Mumbai city. So you can customize it as well. So in the left right side you will get to see this text box, images, embed, drive, and these content blocks, table of content element, images. So this is a control panel where you can add tools. You can use tools like this, and if you create more than one page, you will get to see you can control from here. If you want themes, you can do that as well. You can customize, you can create by Google, and you can import theme as well. So this is a basic layout. You can go and visit it and try to play with it. So for example, we have to create a Mumbai city related blog post. So what I will do, I will just simply use ChatGPT. So in the if you hover on this banner, you will get to see this image option where you can add a background image of this blog post. So what I will do, I will just Mumbai image. It can be anything related to your city. For this tutorial, I am using this pictures. So what I will do, I will use, this is one of the famous place of Mumbai. I will just download it, this image. Forgive me, my internet a little bit slow, so I have to make compromise on that. So I have downloaded the image. Just click on the image and click on the upload. Then you will see, and you have to search that image where that image is and put it into download and go back into Google site and click on the upload, select the image, and so this image is in the format of unsupported image type. So you have to find the JPG or a PNG like this. So I think this is the right image. So I think this is a web, and you can use that too. Maybe not. Just so okay. So I have inserted the image in a successful way. You don't need to download the image. What you have to do is just simply click on the select, and it will take you to their inbuilt image system. From here you can search for Google Images, Photos, Google Drive links, and you can do that as well. So I will make we have added the title, we have added the background image as well. Now let's make a contained block. For example, what I need is just for example, I will take this one where I will add an image, and I will give a description about that place. For just simply click over here. Now here you can select image, or you can add a YouTube video as well. If you want to add map, so just simply add map over here and search for location, and select it. So Mumbai location, and give me description on Mumbai's location. So it will give me the description basically I am using for this tutorial. You don't need to use for every every time. So I will add that text over here. So for example, I want to say that how is Mumbai. So I will give again, go into ChatGPT and give a prompt. Give me the summary of Mumbai. How is the place for tourism and for business and all of the features. So it will give me the summary. So this is just for tutorial. I'm not going to look at the content. I will just copy it and paste it over here. So just simply what I will do, I will just add a text in this block text box and put all the text, and from here you can customize as text as well. If you want to make the change in font, you can do that. Just simply select all the text and you can change the text font as well by selecting. You can do that, and if you want to change alignment of the text, you can do that as well, as you can see here. So the text is not that good, but yeah, for the blog post I think it is good. Now here you can, if you want add images or just for particular reasons, you can just add that. For example, just select the image and drag into, I think you have to upload that, and you can select as well. For example, the way I select image, go into Google Images, search for Mumbai or any other place which you are searching for, and select that and insert it. And as you can see here, we have successfully entered an image. If you want to add text, again what you have to do is just simply drag that text into that blog. From here you can add that text. So text, okay. So this is not good at designing, so you can make changes based on your ideas and you can customize on your preference. So this is a content block, and here is a table of content. You can add table of content as like Mumbai location, Mumbai city overview, Mumbai tourism. For example, I will just simply click on the link. It will redirect to me for Mumbai tourism, pros and cons. So it's like a indexer of the post. Now, if you want to give the button, you can add that button as well. For example, name of the button. So Mumbai, and search the link or search the website. So when the user click on that button, so decide where he should redirect it. I will type Mumbai, and I want that user to be redirected on the Mumbai's Wikipedia. So I will just copy the Wikipedia's link and insert it over here. And as you can see here, just drag from here to here, and we have created button. You can use dividers, spacers, social link as well, and yeah, you can use all of those things. Now if you want to add the YouTube link, for example, what I will do, I will add the text, some YouTube videos, or you can select this content block, just drag it, and over here you can add a YouTube, just search for YouTube, and now here you have to insert the, or you can find the YouTube video, just Mumbai, search Mumbai. It will take some time, I think few seconds to search. Sorry, it is still loading. So Mumbai, select the video which you want to, for example this one, exploring the modern areas of Mumbai. Select it and insert it. Now if you want to make this thing is like, if you want to put over here, what you have to do is just simply click on the YouTube and select for Mumbai, type the Mumbai and select the video which you want to insert. Now you can add text, you can add title over here, you can add text as well. So for example, you have created lots of posts, and now you have to give a suggestion post. Like I have 3 different posts, now I am making the 4th one, and I have to give that 3 post which I have created earlier as a suggestion. What I will do is just I will add content block over here, and add the photos. I can add photos over here and select image. It will take a few seconds to load, and search for Mumbai hotels. Search. So you can, for example, this is just for example, you can add a title, best hotel in Mumbai, and you can add a short description. Give me short description on Mumbai best hotel in 3 lines. It will give me the short description of best Mumbai hotels. So I will add that. If I want to change the font size of this text, I will just select all the text and choose the text as well. Now if I want to add the link or in the title, what I will do, I will select the text title and click on the insert link. Now for example, I have created a post where I am explaining that like the best hotels of Mumbai. So I will put that link over here, like best hotel in Mumbai. Just copy that link and insert this link into your post, and whenever the user read it, and if he wants to take knowledge, he will just simply click on that and it will redirect to this website. Now if you want to create a different website, for example pages, now I want to create for example I want to create one more page. So what I will do, I will just create in the bottom side of right, you will get to see this new page, new link, new menu section. I will click on the new page. The name is Best Hotel. And if you want to give a custom path, you can do that and click on the done. So it will create a Best Hotel post in the in your main post. So just I will give insert and add some blog content. I will add images over here. Images, and you can select that, and you can select this one. You can add this image as well. Search for Mumbai places. This one, and this is a basic. You don't need, you have to make more eye catching. You have to think more about the way you design. So that's the thing, you have to spend a little time in the Google site, so it will give the basic idea how you can create and how you can make your post more visually appealing. So yeah, now we have created the two pages, which is best hotels and home pages, where we were talking about the Mumbai city, how Mumbai city is, and we have added some videos and we have connected other posts as well. Now, for example, I want to connect this. For example, someone read this one and he wants to read that page as well. So what I will do, I will just simply uh, go into properties. Okay. Now just simply highlight the text, best hotel places in Mumbai. I know I have created a different page, but don't worry. Make sure you have created in the best way and click on the link and you will get to see this page site and click on the apply. So you have to make your site, in a very carefully way. So this is a basic overview for a beginner. So after doing all the customization, all the adding all the information, hit the publish button. So if you want to give a web address about Mumbai city, it will check the address is available or not. Yeah, it is available. So you can search setting, request public search engine not to display my sent site. Yeah, I will do that. Now click on the publish. Now as you can see here, just click on the view. So we have created a basic website or a blog post for our Mumbai city experience or travel tour. So this is that, and you can see that, and we have created that link. If you remember, just click on that link, it will redirect to best hotels. Now if you click on this best places in Mumbai, it will redirect to which we have created earlier, if you remember. So that's it for today's video. If you like and found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.